Good morning, guys. It is currently about 9:15 now, and we are about to start our day and go on about a 2.5 hour trip. Going to pick up some stuff for the cat eye. Hopefully this weather will hold off. It's been raining. It's been raining. Last night, rained for hours. Wouldn't stop. Finally, it stopped, and hopefully it'll hold off, because I really don't feel like driving in the rain today. It's just not it, you know what I'm saying? Especially for a long distance. So hopefully it'll hold off. But we about to slide through town, pick up the crew, and then we about to head on. So we finna bring y'all a video. Y'all stay tuned. Well, guys, we're on the main road now. We're headed on down, and we're about to stop by the gas station right here real quick, get some gas, and then we'll be on our way to pick up the boys. And then me and the boys, we're gonna slide on out.
The Harriet 2 riverboat has the perfect
we'll introduce y'all to them once they get here.
With the spring dinner cruise.
But we about to pull right up here and get gas real quick. I grab us a biscuit or something, and we're gonna get this thing started for y'all. So let's do it. Good way to start off the morning. Nah, I'm just kidding. It was free. It's come from my cooler. Gas going in. The rig. Let's give y'all a little look. Yeah, we sliding today. Not really, but we getting there. $309, man. God dang. Yeah, we about done. Yeah, so we finna wrap this up. Finna get on the road for you. Guys, it's been about an hour. We're at a Walmart. Finna meet up with our boy, Caleb, also known as Doughboy. And he gonna be sliding today. He out here in the, got a little clean little Tahoe. Uh-oh. But he out here in the high country today, so Doughboy gonna be sliding. And yeah, we finna pull up on him real quick. Let's go find him. Let's see if we can find him. He said he's parked somewhere over here. I just gotta find him. Oh fuck. But got hit by a car. Doughboy! Trying to find him. Doughboy! Oh, I see Doughboy! Doughboy! He's sliding. Alright. Well, we got fucking Doughboy. And Big Nate with him. Hey. Yeah, we finna slide to fucking Birmingham. And get some shit for the truck. And y'all stay tuned.
I don't think y'all ready.
Wild ride. Nah, they ain't ready for this.
We about to pop out for real.
We finna pop out.
What I do for you to forget about my past actions, yeah, baby.
Alright guys, we're about 30 minutes out. We just stopped by the gas station, about to get us something to drink, maybe a snack or something. Then get back on the road. But y'all come with us in the store. Yeah. That bitch is clean. That bitch is clean. Oh. Helps hangover too. Now we're waiting on Doughboy. This motherfucker taking forever. Did you get to the sunflowers here? One night stand. Blue Rhino never let you down. Y'all hear that turbo in that bitch? God damn. Shit, fuck. Alright guys, we're about to get back in the truck, get back on the road. We'll catch y'all. Alright guys, we're about 20 minutes away. We're picking up some tires for the cat eye. And we're about to meet him at the shop here in just a minute. And I don't really know how he feels about me recording in the shop, so I probably won't record the actual buying process of them. But everything up to it and after will be on there. And yeah, we're about to bring it to you. Right, guys, we just got here at MTW Tires in Pelham, Alabama. And we're about to go in here and get this set of tires. And we'll get back with y'all when we get them out. Tell him what you think about it, Doughboy. Got a set of Pro Comps. Used. Pretty good tread though, got a good deal on them. And now for the journey back. Here's the rest of them for us. Didn't take the dog box out of the truck. And about couldn't fit them, so two of them had to ride back here with Doughboy. But he's on that shit. He's standing on business, getting shit done around here. So now we gotta try to make it back with these motherfuckers, and hopefully they don't fall out back of the truck.
Fuck you! Ah!
She needs somebody that's gonna treat
Damn!
you right. She needs somebody that's gonna love you all night. I don't want no part-time love, no one-night stand. I'm a grown-ass woman. I need a
Grown-ass man!
Need somebody that's gonna treat me right. Need somebody.
Alright guys, well we just stopped up here. This little Conga, got something to eat, Mexican restaurant.
Shout them out.
Yeah. La Costa. Y'all get up here at this shit. Y'all see this right here, 10 toes, 10 fingers. Doughboy 256. You see. Big Nate in the cut. He's getting laid tonight. He's getting laid tonight. Yeah. What's up, guys? We just got back to Walmart. Leaving Walmart. Got the tires. Got a good deal on them. But camera really doesn't do them justice. They still got pretty good tread. But I got a steal on them, so I'd have been dumb if I didn't go get them. Fun trip. We had fun. But it ain't over yet. We about to go fishing. Do a little fishing. We may grill out for a little bit, and then we still got I still got an hour ride back to the house, and we still got stuff there to show. And we're gonna close it out when we get back to the crib and give y'all a little rundown on some stuff. But yeah, it ain't over yet. Y'all stay with us. Yeah, what you think about it, Josh? What you think about them over there fishing?
You ready for this?
Yeah, let's do it. Haul steady on that one. I can feel it coming. Look at Jacoby, man.
This will backfire.
What's up, guys?
What we doing?
Damn! About to It ain't spinning.
Got power. If I was still on the top, that would have flew off the top. Now get in the car and no burn off. Alright. That should look good for the YouTube.
Oh, she'll do it.
YouTube ready.
Oh yeah, I'm posting this tonight. On God. Stunner.
Maybe we can hold this on his back.
No, you don't need to hold this back here. Come on, fellas.
I think she's got it. I think, yeah, she ain't roasting them. Christian, I think you got it. You can roast these. All right, guys. Fishing was a little bad. We ended up playing around. Didn't really catch much, but we caught a few. Just never had the camera around when we caught them. Or either I was off doing something else. But yeah, we had a good time today. Just got loaded up, headed to the crib. Got about 50-55 minutes till I get there. And then we're gonna give y'all a little rundown on some stuff and let y'all know what's coming up soon, maybe. See y'all.
Oh, it's the largest. The fuck? Enormous pussy. Let's go. Hey, who made it? I'm on that. Fuck all y'all. Go. SRT, the easy.
Well, we ain't too far from the house. About to swing by the gas station real quick, get some gas and shit. Then we gonna head on home. And we're gonna give y'all a little rundown on some stuff, like I said. And gotta drop some hints on what's coming up next, because we got some stuff coming. We got it. Everything's heating up, you know what I'm saying? But y'all be ready. K Shiesty finna pop out this summer, I'm telling y'all. Y'all get to experience it. Y'all are getting to experience the full build. You know what I'm saying? So y'all just stay tuned, because we're just gonna keep on bringing. Well guys, we made it to the gas station. Finna run in here, pay for some gas, and then we're gonna hit the road. Well guys, we got gas. Finna get back on the road and get home. And yeah, just pray for a safe trip, you know? What's up guys? Finally got back to Auburn at the crib finally. And you know, we picked up the tires today. Y'all know that. Y'all know that already. But y'all ain't really seen what they going on, what really been happening, and stuff that I've gotten before the video. So we'll show y'all the wheels real quick. Nothing special, nothing special. Just a little Bubba setup, you know. And you know, we're gonna tell y'all some stuff what's coming up next. A little bit of what's coming up next, and we'll let y'all know. But we're about to show y'all these wheels real quick, talk a little bit, unload these tires. I'm gonna go pick up my little stepbrothers and bring them back over here, and they always like it when I'm getting new stuff like this. So let's see what they think about it. If they approve, I'll keep it. If they approve, I'll keep it for a little bit anyway. But yeah, let me show y'all some rims. 17-inch stocks. Got the 35s to go on them today. Like I said, nothing special, just a little Bubba setup. And yeah, I know they balls, but that's the whole reason of buying tires today. I just got these for the tires to go on. But I think they look pretty good once they go on. A lot of people didn't like these stocks, but I actually like them. Everybody told me I should just go back to the cat eye stocks. These are actually the 07 through 08 Tahoe stocks, and I like them more. That's just my opinion. But yeah, I really think once we get those 35s on, throw them on the cat eye, and once a few other things come in, we're gonna be looking right. So we back. So we got the scrims, we got the tires. What do you think about it? What do you think about it?
Yeah, pretty sure that was the nicest tires I've ever seen, man.
Nicest tires you ever seen. You know, that's the nicest compliment I've ever had, man. What you think about the wheels?
The wheels look good as hell, too.
The wheels look good as hell? Yeah, alright. Alright. What you think the girls gonna think about them?
Them hoes are gonna love it. Yeah!
Alright, guys. Like I said, I was gonna give y'all a rundown, some stuff coming up. Well, as y'all know, different wheels, different tires. Y'all know that. I've already done a lot of stuff. New gas tank, new fuel pump, fuel lines, motor, rebuilt trans, bearings, brakes, studs, whole 9 yards, done it all. Went ahead and got it out the way before I had to do it later or anything like that. Ordered a lot of stuff. Gonna do a lot of cosmetic changes soon. Got stuff like here, third brake light. Got still stuff coming in. Tail lights, headlights, bumpers, stuff like that. I'm not gonna tell y'all colors of stuff or what all, how this. I'm telling y'all that we're changing, but I'm not gonna give y'all, you know, the full everything of the change. But yeah, we'll get back with y'all next week and update y'all, give you a rundown of what's going on, how everything's going. Cat Eye's not here right now, but should have it tomorrow, hopefully. If so, may post a short or something of that. And but yeah, when we get it back, we'll have it back by the next video, and should have a few things going on to do with that and make a video out of. But thank y'all for watching. Subscribe, like the channel, and we'll catch y'all next week.